Hello and welcome to another series of today's GK. Let's begin with previous day practice question first. Question was Constituent Assembly of India adopted the national flag on 22nd July 1947, 9th December 1946, 10 November 1947 or 23rd January 1947. The correct answer is option A, 22nd July 1947. 3/4 of a century ago, on July 22, in 1947, the Constituent Assembly of India adopted the national flag. It was a red letter day in our history. Hence, option A is correct. Now let's begin today's session. First question is, consider the following statements regarding Bal Gangadhar Tilak. 1. One of his well-known works is the Orion, Studies in the Antiquity of Vedas. 2. He accepted Dadabhai Naoroji's economic drain theory and criticized the British. Which of the above mentioned statement or statements is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? The correct answer is option C, both 1 and 2. That is, both the statements are correct. The PM Modi paid tributes to freedom fighters Lokmanya Tilak and Chandrasekhar Azad on their birth anniversary on 23rd July 2022. Bal Gangadhar Tilak is popularly called as Lokmanya Tilak. In 1881, he started two weeklies, Maratha in English and Kesari in Marathi. One of his most well-known works is the Orion, Studies in the Antiquity of Vedas. In this book, he propounded the thesis that Rig Veda was composed as early as 4500 BC. This book brought him recognition as a scholar in Oriental studies. Hence, statement 1 is correct. He also advocated his nationalism on an economic basis. He accepted Dadabhai Naoroji's economic drain theory and criticized the British government for ruthlessly exploiting the resources of the country. Hence, statement 2 is also correct. Next question is, which of the following has become the first Har Ghar Jal certified district in India? Burhanpur, Madhya Pradesh, Barwani, Madhya Pradesh, Betul, Madhya Pradesh, or Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh? The correct answer is option A, Burhanpur, Madhya Pradesh. The Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has congratulated the citizens of Burhanpur, Madhya Pradesh for becoming the first Har Ghar Jal certified district in the country. Hence, option A is correct. Since August 2019, Government of India, in partnership with states, is implementing Jal Jeevan Mission, Har Ghar Jal, to make provision of portable tap water supply to every rural household in the country by 2024. Next question is, National Film Awards were established in 1953, 1954, 1955 or 1956. The correct answer is option B, 1954. The winners of the 68th edition of the National Film Awards were announced recently. The films from South India dominated the National Film Awards with as many as 19 top awards across various sections. Established in 1954, the National Film Awards is one of the most prestigious and much looked forward to events in the country. The Honorable President of India presents the awards, culminating in showcasing of award-winning films for the public. Hence, option B is correct. Next question is, consider the following statements regarding Indian Antarctic Bill 2022. 1. The bill is in pursuant to India's accession to Antarctic Treaty. 2. The bill also proposed to set up Indian Antarctic Authority, that is IAA, under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Which of the above mentioned statement or statements is or are incorrect? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? The correct answer is option B, 2 only. That is, only first statement is correct. Lok Sabha recently passed the Indian Antarctic Bill 2022 moved by Minister of Earth Sciences Dr. Jitendra Singh. The bill aims at having India's own national measures for protecting the Antarctic environment as also the dependent and associated ecosystem. The bill is in pursuant to India's accession to Antarctic Treaty, Protocol on Environment Protection, Madrid Protocol, to the Antarctic Treaty, and Convention on the Conservation of Antarctic Marine Living Resources. Hence, statement 1 is correct. The bill also proposed to set up Indian Antarctic Authority, that is IAA, under the Ministry of Earth Sciences. It shall be the apex decision-making authority and shall facilitate programs and activities permitted under the bill. Hence, statement 2 is incorrect. Last question is, which of the following countries is largest producer of palm oil in the world? Malaysia, Thailand, Indonesia or Nigeria? The correct answer is option C, Indonesia. The World Trade Organization could soon rule on 2 cases brought against the European Union over its decision to phase out the import of unsustainable palm oil by 2030. The complaints were filed by Indonesia and Malaysia, the 2 largest palm oil producers. Indonesia is the world's largest producer of palm oil, a staple agricultural commodity found in about half of all packaged products sold in supermarkets. Hence, option C is correct. Now it's time for the practice question. Who is known as the father of genetics? Gregor Mendel, Albert Einstein, Antoine Lavoisier or Archimedes? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching.